Di video kali ini gue akan ngajakin John Kelly, ini orang bule Amerika sekeluarga buat makan mie pedas mampus guys. Mereka bakal gue ajarin makan pedas dari level 0 sampai level 5 sampai level 10. Ini kira-kira bisa nggak ya mereka makan pedas? Kalau lakinya nih kayaknya gue percaya dia kuat nih. Bisa nggak ya gue ajak makan level maksimal? Enjoy the video.
Halo YouTube, let's go. Hari ini balik dari Jalan Bungkus yang buka makanan di Indonesia. Hari ini kita akan menyiksa diri kita lagi di Pedas Journey. Kita mencobain mie pedas mampus, Mamampuas. Kalau saya bisa aja ya, mampus alias Mamampuas. Pondok Kacang Timur, Pondok Aren. Let's go. Wow. Ya. Oke, apa kabar kalian semua? Hari ini back di Pedas Journey lagi. Gua sedang explore mie pedas yang enak. Kemarin udah mie rakyatnya Chef Bukhari, mie Jebeo Matraman, mie Abang Ade. Nah, di dekat rumah gue nih ternyata ada mie pedas mampus. Daerah Kebon Kacang, Pondok Aren, arah-arah sana tuh ke Ciledug ya?
Bisa Ciledug bisa.
Bisa Ciledug bisa ya?
Bintaro bisa.
Bintaro bisa. Hari ini tapi spesial guys. Gua ngajak teman gua, satu keluarga bakal gua ajak makan pedas. Nama channelnya Backpack Family. Jadi mereka ini adalah orang US yang kerjanya ini sebenarnya di Papua jadi guru, tapi mereka sering ngevlog petualangan di daerah Jakarta, ke Surabaya pernah, Jogja pernah, Bandung pernah. Kayaknya kita tegur sapa dulu mereka yang udah mau ikut konten sama gue. Namanya ada Jonathan, ada Kelly, ada Granite, ada Cedar, sama ada Forest. There it is. The Backpack family is here with us. Hello John, really nice to see you. Finally see you. Hi Kelly. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, hello Forrest. You already woke up? Can you shake hand? Oh. This is.
I'm Cedar.
This is.
I'm Granite.
This is Granite. How old are you, Cedar?
I'm 9. I'm 11.
How old are you, little guy? 4? Oh. So guys, thank you for finally agree to meet me. So I'm going to apologize in advance because I'm taking you to a spicy food place like this. Can you handle spicy food?
I think the Backpack family can represent. We can handle it. We've been here for a while now in Indonesia. We're
South
ready.
American. Before we start, please introduce to my audience.
Absolutely. So my name is Jonathan. We are the Backpack family. We're from America. Believe it or not, we've been living in Indonesia for almost 3 full years now. We enjoy visiting different locations throughout Indonesia. We are teachers, teaching in the state of Alaska, but we left America about 9 years ago.
Oh, really?
We started in Chennai, India for 2 years. We taught in Dubai for 3 years, which is where Forrest was born. Now, of course, we've been in West Papua going into our 4th year, actually.
Oh, that's very
So
nice.
time is flying. We've loved the adventure.
How many cities have you visited in Indonesia?
In West Papua, we went to Raja Ampat, but then we've been to Sulawesi, Sumatra, Bali, Flores, Java, and that might be it right now.
How do you love Indonesia so far?
Very much. At this point, I think we're starting to call Indonesia home.
Oh.
The home away from home, absolutely.
We are really great to have you here with us also.
It is our pleasure.
You need to explore more and more food. And we Indonesian love spicy food, so I'm gonna take you to the spiciest place in Tangerang Selatan.
Oh boy.
This is mie pedas mampus. But before we go and try their spiciest food, I'm gonna go there and talk to the owner. Is it okay?
We're very excited.
Alright, kita kesana dulu ngobrol sama yang punya mie pedas mampus guys. Halo Mas Sony, apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah sehat.
Ini udah nge-DM gue dari lama banget. Akhirnya alhamdulillah kesampaian sampai udah pindah ke tempat yang oke banget, gede banget kayak gini sekarang. Bener Mas Sony ya? Udah ngerintis dari kapan sih Mas Sony?
Kalau usaha mulai dari 2016, tapi kalau untuk MPM itu terbentuknya di tahun 2018.
Awalnya usaha apa Mas?
Makaroni.
Oh makanya Bayi Makaroni.
Awalnya dulu namanya Makaroni City, 2022 baru ganti nama.
Awalnya kenapa jualan makaroni Mas? Karena waktu itu lagi hype makaroni itu ya?
Istri kuning jual makaroni dong rame banget, inspirasi dong.
Akhirnya bikin sendiri.
Sendiri.
Bener-bener bikin sendiri tuh Mas?
Sendiri.
Emang ada basic F&B apa gimana Mas?
Enggak sih, karena kepengen buka usaha aja gitu, udah nggak kerja lagi gitu kan.
Oh awalnya kerja
Awalnya
kantoran, akhirnya desain bener-bener buat bikin usaha.
Betul. Berhenti kerja itu di tahun 2020.
Oh,
Jadi 4 tahun itu sampingan.
Sampai akhirnya udah berhenti kerja dan ini jadi pekerjaan utama kan berarti udah oke banget. Sukses banget nih Mas Sony nih. Akhirnya terbentuk mie pedas mampus. Idenya apa?
Dulu kan ada sepi, carilah inspirasi di YouTube.
Oke.
Dapatlah video YouTuber juga. Sekarang sama Magdalena sih yang mie pedas Narako Medan misalnya.
Oh, jadi ini terinspirasi dari makanan Medan, tapi dengan resep sendiri ya.
Sendiri.
Nah, di sini berarti ada menu apa aja Mas Sony?
MPM untuk M itu mie pedas mampus tuh gorengnya. Indoor M itu versi kuahnya.
Oh,
Spaghetti
terus?
pun ada bolognese dia.
Tapi
Ada juga.
pedasnya dari mana tuh Mas kalau bolognese? Ini sampai level 10 Mas.
10.
Levelnya berdasarkan apa? Centong cabe? Oh, sendok.
Teh.
Boleh nggak kita main ke dapur kita lihat? Allahu Akbar, serem amat sambelnya.
Level setengahnya tuh segini.
Ini yang setengah.
Iya.
Ini sih pedesnya serem nih, kayaknya kita mesti ngajak John atau Kelly. This is the sambal that you are going to eat. So the level is based on the teaspoon. Kalau level 10,
Ya 10 sendok ini.
10 sendok, 10 teaspoon of the sambal.
I can smell the chili from here.
Iya.
Yeah.
Do you wanna try?
Oh yeah, sambal. Sedikit.
Coba. Please try. Here we
Wait
go.
a second, that laugh. That laugh. Hold on.
Try John. Try John.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see if you can talk.
Uh-huh.
no, I
Still
got
cool? Still cool?
Got it, I'm
Still,
okay.
still calm and composed? Oh, okay. Are you fine?
No, just like doesn't linger. It's not too bad. This is
Oh,
an okay heat for me.
You can do level 1? How about you, Kelly? You want to try also?
I'll try.
Can you handle spicy, Kelly? Not too much.
No, not too much.
Not as good as John.
Not as good.
But it's okay. You can try. Yeah.
Woo!
Oh!
It's pretty spicy. My whole tongue is tingling.
So they have ramen, the soup, and the fried noodles also. Which one do you want to try?
It's whatever your recommendation is. We're
Oke.
very open.
Kalau gitu kita cobain dulu yang level setengah mie pedas mampus ya. Kita bakal cobain level by level. So you can prepare yourself to go further with the level.
Now wait a second. We already have a burn going. You don't have a burn going.
Wah.
Now try.
Gue padahal mau ngeles nih, nyadar aja. Oke, I'm gonna try. Boleh minjem lagi sendoknya?
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh
Oh boy. Just for you, John. Kita cobain ya. Ini. Oh wow. How can you handle the spicy with so calm face, John? This is pedas. Mbak, kalau gitu ya, tadi ya
I'm already
level
sweating.
setengah dulu ya. Bikin 2 porsi aja. Mas Sony, ini kan udah pindah nih semenjak Desember sekarang. Sebelumnya di tempat di rumah atau di mana tuh?
Kios itu di
Oh,
belakang.
kios kecil. Pas baru jualan yang mie pedas, berarti di situ juga. Wah, alhamdulillah. Resepnya udah kayak gini Mas dari dulu Mas. Sama. Berarti penerimaan dari customer udah masuk banget sama rasa ya. Alhamdulillah. Pas awal-awal baru buka yang di sana tuh pas seramainya berapa porsi tuh Mas?
Rata-rata sekitar 40-50 mungkin ada sehari.
40-50 sehari ya. Itu dari Senin sampai Minggu ya.
Kalau kita bisa lebih murah.
Ini kapasitas berapa Mas tempat ini Mas?
19 dan masuk balkon ya.
19 meja kali 4 berarti 50-60an lebih Mas ya. Buka dari jam berapa ini Mas?
Kalau untuk weekday itu jam 12 sampai jam 10. Kalau weekend 13 sampai jam 11.
Okay guys, this is level 0.5. Are you ready guys? Okay, are you ready Granite?
Yes.
Oke, ini Granite kayaknya bener-bener suka pedas nih dia nih. Mukanya terpancar banget semangat deh. Oke, let's see what the she think about the noodles. Is it spicy? Yeah, spicy enough for you? Oh no? Oh wow, okay. Good for you, good for you, good for you. Either pass the test. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang coba Granite.
That's really good.
Yeah.
A little spicy, but
You
pretty
love
good.
spicy food.
Yeah.
No, mom's turn.
The pressure's on if the kids can do it. All right. And like you said earlier, you know, I already know the kick that the spice has, so
Yeah.
it makes me nervous. Okay, here we go.
I'm sure it's not as spicy as the sambal.
That's pretty good. Just a tiny kick, but not too bad.
Can you test the garlic?
Yeah, it's garlic and a little salty. The noodles are delicious too. Chewy.
That's turn.
Alright.
John, kata John dia agak tebal lidahnya. Your tongue is numb with the spices.
yes, yes. That might be a good thing, so I don't get the hits.
Yep. Oke, kita coba level setengah guys ya. You ready?
Cheers. Yes. This is great. The heat is mild. The soy comes through. I'm not getting the full burn yet, which is nice.
Just to make you getting used to the spicy.
I try.
I love the taste. I love
Yes,
the noodles.
this is the one where the ingredients
Yeah.
really shine.
Kan kalau orang bule kalau misalnya ngejelasin enak ya. This is where the ingredients really shine. They do have a lot of vocabulary to say. Alright, Kelly, Cedar, and Granite. This one is level 5. I don't think Cedar can take it, but if you want to try,
I'll
please
try.
do. If you don't want to try, it's fine, okay?
I'll try a little bit.
Oh, I'll try a little bit. Cool, very good. Thank you. You wanna start first, Cedar or Granite? Okay. Yo, langsung banyak guys. Oh, that's our guy right there. What do you think?
Honestly, I think the 0.5 was spicier than this one.
Really?
Yeah.
The 0.5 is spicier than this? Ini beneran level 5, boy?
Iya.
Beneran? Masa kan level sekali lebih pedes, mas? I think you can handle it, Cedar.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you can try that a little bit. Yeah?
Oh, it's the afterburn that's spicy.
Oh, the afterburn! You forgot to add that for your sister.
Yeah.
The first bite is not spicier than 0.5,
Oh.
but after a little bit,
After
it's burn.
taste, they have this burn feeling. Okay, you don't have to continue. I don't want you to have a stomachache. Let's mom try.
Oh man. Now I'm scared for the afterburn.
Ah, it's fine. You can handle it. It's still delicious.
The noodles are good. Spice is kicking in. I can feel the back of my throat. It's a little spicy, but pretty good.
I think it's better because it's from fresh sambal.
Yeah.
John, are you ready, my friend?
Level 5.
Level 5. I know you can handle better than I can. Are you ready, my friend?
I'm ready, are you?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. All right, cheers.
More oily.
Yep, the chili's definitely forward now.
Yes.
It's not hiding, the heat's
It
there.
burns into your mouth.
My nose is running.
Yeah?
I have a runny nose now.
Langsung meler hidungnya guys. Yang level 5 ini lebih berminyak sama sambelnya karena 5 sendok teh sambel kan. Cuman ini masih bisa kami toleransi. We can still tolerate this, right?
Oh yes, I mean, I'm definitely feeling the burn.
I think it's over for Kelly, Granite, and Cedar. After this, me and John are going to try level 10. Gue sama John bakal coba level 10. John doesn't have to finish, John.
Did I
Put
hear
much
you-
pressure on you. Yes?
Did I hear you say level 10?
Level 10.
That's
Or
a jump.
do you want me to repeat again?
No repeat.
I'm going to repeat with different level. I'm going to offer you level 15.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ya, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15. Yes.
All right, level 10.
Level 10.
I like it.
No, 15.
You understand 15?
Yes.
What's a 15?
Yeah, 15.
15, yeah! John, after this, I'm gonna take you to Alfamart and go buy some milk, okay?
We should get the whole cow.
We need the susu.
Yeah,
Lots of
definitely the susu. Granite, you good?
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna pass on level 10.
Sure. I'm going to finish it for you.
You can.
Okay.
There's a sign no smoking because it's so hot. It's burning off your flames.
It's already
Dangerous.
steamy hot, yeah?
Hotty.
Since Granite, Cedar, and Kelly are not going to finish this, I will.
I can't leave you by yourself now.
Yeah, sure.
I'm still here.
Sure. Sekarang kita coba guys, ini level 5. Rasa mie-nya udah enak banget. I think my limit is level 5.
What?
I can do level 10. That is the max level that I can enjoy.
Here, you're gonna need a tissue. I'm
Thank you.
starting to tear up a little.
Aku butuh dapet John, go try to.
Yeah.
Keju.
Yeah.
Stuff with cheese.
Yes.
Keju. Yep.
We haven't tried ramen.
Oh, I didn't realize.
It's level 3 by the way. It's level 3.
Wow, look at the oil on top, guys. that is impressive. That is scary. You see that color? That's some serious business.
Gue jujur nggak tega kalau misalnya maksa Granite atau Cedar buat makan karena gue nggak pengen bikin anak kecil sakit perut. Kayaknya ada susunya mas ya? Terima. Oh, should we try?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ya.
It's temperature hot.
Okay.
Test this aroma. It's
Yes.
a nice aroma to it.
Yes, this kind of mellows out the heat, where the heat's not so pronounced. This is a nice blend. This is good.
What do you think, Granite? What do you think, Kelly? It's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Creamy?
good. Creamy.
Really flavorful.
Very favorable, yeah.
Yeah, good.
Nice and creamy.
His face is not even red yet. It's not turning red yet. Not yet. That means it's bearable. Which one do you prefer?
I might prefer the ramen. The broth is really good and just a little more mellow so you can enjoy it just a little bit more. This one's good, but it's scary.
I'd have the level 5 with some of the broth. Yeah.
Oh yeah? The broth kind of tone down the spiciness level. Yeah?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
really
The
good.
broth.
Before we continue, are you sure you can handle the level 10 of mie pedas mampus?
I might need to sign a waiver because we're getting pretty extreme.
Oke, jadi hari ini kita bakal challenge Jonathan untuk coba level 10. Kalau kemarin Magda nyoba level 20, Indira level berapa, Mas? Indira level 5 doang. Ya, gimana, Dir? Berarti lo harus balik lagi ke sini sama gue, Indira Kalista. Kalau lo nonton vlog ini, kita balik lagi nanti. John, we're in the kitchen again. You are having a second thought. So I'm gonna take you to the kitchen and let you see by yourself 10 teaspoon of sambal.
This might be a mistake for me to be back here. I don't know if I should see what's about to happen.
That's actually my point. So you're having second thought, and we're not going to do this.
All right, I'm
just
ready.
kidding.
Let's do it. Let's
I'm
see
gonna
it.
put the sambal
Okay.
myself. Oke, kita ambilin level 10. 2 sendok, oke? 3 sendok, 4 sendok, 5 sendok, 6, 7, kita dikasih aja. 8, 9, 10. I never thought it's going to be this scary.
I'm intimidated now.
You can just try 1 spoon of the noodle. I don't want to push you. I don't want to force you. I don't want to make your flight tomorrow a little more harder
It's going
than
to
it
be an
has
interesting flight at this point with the level 10.
Besok John balik ke US, guys. After this, I'm gonna treat you to an ice cream.
That's
okay?
a deal.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do 1 spoon also. To be honest, I'm scared. Okay, John, before we eat this, what is the spiciest food that you ever had?
I would say about a minute ago with level 5.
Oh, really? That
So,
was your spiciest?
that's pretty spicy.
Before you haven't tried?
Before, throughout Indonesia,
Maybe
things
in
like
India?
Well, in India, it's a totally different taste palette. So where this is very much chili forward food and heat, in India, it's much more a blend of spices where you're getting into cumin and turmeric. It's a different heat compilation. What I like about Indonesian food, though, is the chili forward heat. Ground,
No preservatives,
no preserve,
chemicals,
all
or something.
natural.
All
This is
natural.
very natural.
I feel bad for making you doing this challenge, but if you just a small bite, it's fine by me. Don't force yourself.
I'm seeing a lot of chilies here. That's all the way down.
Yes.
Almost more chili than noodle, I think.
Yes.
The smell is coming.
The smell kind of hurts my nose.
Yes, it's not hiding at all that this is level 10.
Cedar, please pray for your dad. I don't think he's gonna make it.
We're not joking anymore.
Okay, let's go. Yuk.
Cheers.
Go for it, John. Go for it, John. You can do it, John. John. Minum, John. John. Pakis, John. Oh man. How do you feel, my friend? It's fine.
Please. I'm going to need a stretcher to leave this place down.
I'm going.
Where's the susu?
Where's the susu? Here's susu. Ini ya, level 10 ya.
Good luck.
People know me for being the spiciest channel in the world.
You have proven it tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna prove it again.
Wow. That's impressive. Wow.
This is nothing for me.
Nothing. No, this is not. Look at this. Look at the sweats. This is not true.
This is nothing.
I'm impressed. Yeah, I'm impressed.
I'm gonna take another bite.
No.
Just to prove to you.
Okay, hold on. Now wait a second. If you're going for seconds, I gotta represent.
Really?
Yeah, we gotta go seconds.
John itu guru olahraga di sekolah di sana. So you have a strong muscle. So you're going to want to carry me to my car.
Muscles, but maybe a weak stomach. I don't know. I don't know.
Ternyata gue masih bisa handle ini, guys. Pedasnya nggak terlalu menyeruak ke semua dinding mulut. I think it's still good. You should see their face when I take it. She's scared. She's really worried about
She's a
that.
very loving daughter I have.
Yeah. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Yes.
It's really good.
It's the oil.
Yeah.
Woo! I'm sweating like I've never sweated before from food.
But regardless, it's still good. I love the noodles.
Even with the level 10 sambal,
Yep.
you're still getting the flavor.
Yeah, I agree with you. Kudos to my Sony is the one that developed the menu.
It might be time for some susu.
Yeah.
The more I sit, the more it's starting to burn.
Yes, let's not say anything.
It's just time to drink.
There's still level 15 and level 20, but I don't think we are there yet. I don't think I want you to suffer more than this. It's enough. This is your first experience of eating this kind of spicy.
Yeah, this is good, but it does set us up for the sequel now.
I don't like to hear the word sequel. Please don't make me do this again. Thank you, John.
Hey, my pleasure. Very much. Well, I shouldn't say my pleasure. It's definitely nice.
From us, it's Capsir.
Thank you.
Capsir.
Yeah, terima kasih.
Capsir is respect. You can try Capsir.
Capsir.
Ah,
Thank
Capsir.
you.
And this one is really delicious. In my channel, when food is so delicious, you say ancur.
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 And LWK.
Alweka.
Lo,
Lo.
wajib
Wajib.
kesini.
Asini.
You should go here.
You should come.
Yes. Sekarang gue sama John dan Kelly mau istirahat dulu. I think John really needs some rest. His family is really worried about him. Mas Sony, bentuknya aku bayar ya. Jangan dihitung, jangan diskon. Ngomong-ngomong bisik-bisik nih, kita hitung sendiri aja dah. Kan katanya suka nonton video saya, berarti harus bayar. 20.000 tambah tadi kan level setengahnya 2, terus level 5-nya 2, 28, tambah level 10 1, 18, ramen level 3 tadi 13 tambah 2, 26. Piro? Ah nggak mungkin orang banyak kok Mbak. Ojo toh Mbak, please. Please. Jangan, nggak ada komplimen, nanti aja. Mbak, makasih ya. Semoga sukses selalu, tambah besar lagi. Saya pamit, guys. I'll be waiting for you to be back here in Indonesia.
Thank you so
Maybe
much.
when are you going to go?
We will leave tomorrow for America, but we'll be back in the end of July.
Thank you guys for joining me.
Our pleasure.
Thank you
really.
guys for willing to eat spicy food with me, especially Granite and Cedar. High five. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, subscribe channel mereka di Backpack Family. Journey mereka traveling, nggak cuma di Indonesia. Mereka pernah ke Pakistan, ke India, kemanapun. Subscribe channel di sini. And also their Instagram. I'll be put it here. Make sure to subscribe and follow them. Makasih udah temenin gue makan kali ini. Kalau kalian suka video, tolong share and subscribe channel Bungkus. Gue upload rutin 3 kali seminggu. Setiap hari Selasa, Kamis, Sabtu. Selasa, Kamis, Sabtu. Selasa, Kamis, dan Sabtu. Follow my Instagram @bungkusofficial. Do you guys have TikTok? Same handle. Backpack Family. TikTok gue Bungkus Official. Dan kalau kalian punya rekomendasi kuliner menarik yang nanti boleh gue coba lagi bareng sama mereka, komen di bawah atau DM ke Instagram Yudis @yudisrautm. Tapi he is really slow respond whenever he got a DM from my followers. He has so many second account, more than I can count. Kalian bisa follow second account Yudis di @followsrimulat. 1 2 peace and peace sweet.